So what's up everyone, and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to use Google Flow for free. So first thing you need to do is to go to the website. Open your browser and head to the official Google Flow website. If prompt, sign in using your Google account to access the tool. Click the Create button and find the prompt box. Once you're inside, you'll land on a simple dashboard. Look for the main input field. This is where all the magic happens. Now, type a clear description of what you want to generate. For example, a cinematic night city with neon lights and rain. The more specific your prompt, the better your results. Now, click the Generate button. Google Flow will process your request and create a visual output automatically. After a few seconds, your generated scene or video will appear. Check if it matches your idea. If it's good, download or use it. If it's not, tweak your prompt and generate again. To improve quality, add details, specify camera angles and motion, and also keep prompts clean and structured. Example upgrade: instead of city, use cyberpunk city at night, for example. And Google Flow works best when you treat prompts like directions to a creative assistant. Clear, visual, and structured prompts will always give better outputs than vague ones. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe to our channel for more. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next video.